I love MTA.
There's nothing better than walking into school.
The vibe is full of excitement.
As soon as I walked through these doors, I saw and I felt the warm energy and ruach.
I remember walking into MTA. It was just such a welcoming environment. Now I know just about every single kid in my grade.
I'm already making a ton of new friends and meeting new people and new teachers. I can already see that these 4 years are going to be some of the best of my life.
MTA is every community's school. You can come here and you feel like you belong. You feel like you have a place. Everything that we do places an emphasis and a primacy on Talmud Torah, on helping to cultivate midos, to grow in our learning, to grow in our skills, in our relationship, our personal connection with the Torah.
My Rebbe is a very enthusiastic Rebbe. His main goal was to teach us how to love the Gemara and have a connection with Hashem.
And each Rebbe designs their shir uniquely to their Talmidim. Some shiurim are focused on broadening lumdus, some are focusing on individual skills. All shiurim are focused on the growth of your shemayim and the potential for each Talmud.
They really just make you enjoy learning more and you connect to it more.
I think the connection that the Talmidim have with the Rebbeim is a very close connection, and it really allows more conversation outside of the classroom to connect closer to your Rebbe.
MTA has actually a really good balance between Limudei Kodesh and Limudei Chol.
They want you to have the knowledge to be a Ben Torah and to function in society today.
Even though there's great learning in the morning, there's also great teachers in the afternoon.
They're all knowledgeable about their subject, they're great at teaching, and they all care about you.
It's not just about the content, it's about learning the skills that are behind the content as well.
We have a really awesome general studies program. It's rigorous, it's challenging, and there are so many opportunities that exist here that don't exist anywhere else.
When you walk into a classroom, you will find students who are engaged in conversations, who are eager to learn, who are asking questions.
There are so many levels of support at MTA, ranging from teachers being available to their students in and out of the classroom, to having an advisory period.
You can always go to them for a helping hand, ask them a question, and you're never alone at MTA.
The tracking allows for students to be appropriately challenged but not overwhelmed.
There's a lot of conversation about how we can help motivate and guide and help students grow so they can reach their full potential.
We have a wide variety of electives, from business entrepreneurship, graphic design, engineering, computer science, even mass medium if you want to learn even more.
The vibe around MTA is incredible.
There's always so much energy in the hallways.
School is not simply just about the exams and the good grades, but it's about the whole student experience.
When the final bell rings at the end of the day, things are just getting started here.
There's always something going on. There's always people here.
Almost everyone stays in school. They do mishmar, then they do extracurricular activities, then they do night seder. Kids are staying till 10, 11 o'clock.
The boys run to the Beis Medrash when the bell rings. The kickoff kollel provides the boys an opportunity to learn before they go on to their practices or teams or clubs.
There's something for everyone, whether it's athletics, arts, graphic design.
There is pathway clubs like the legal pathway club and the medical pathway clubs, extracurricular clubs like the mock trial team, the cooking club.
I'm part of the debate team, the math team, environmentalist club, pickleball club, pathway to pre-med. There's so much you could do that I never knew.
There's always something happening at MTA, whether from community Shabbatons to yeshiva-wide Shabbatons, mishmar madness to kickoff kollels.
One of the highlights of the year for me was the Sudas Preda, where everyone gets together and they sit and they have a huge kumsitz. It was wonderful getting to see all of my Rebbeim, all of my friends, my parents, everyone was all together.
I love being on the YU campus. It's just wonderful to walk around and be surrounded by college kids.
During lunch, I can go to the YU CAF, I can go to the YU gym.
Being on a YU campus offers many advantages. It gives you a vision and it gives you a goal to walk around a vibrant college campus comprised of B'nai Torah. It gives the boys inspiration and motivation.
Having access to all these Rosh Yeshivas, you feel like you're more than part of just a high school. You're part of a real yeshiva.
We are very excited about 4 brand new programs here at MTA that speak to and strengthen our integration with Yeshiva University. There's the YU Honors Pathways Program, the Residency Advancement Program, the MTA YU Sheer Partnership, and the YU High School's Leadership Track.
One of the biggest new initiatives is that you could finish YU in 2.5 years when it normally takes 3, and take an entire semester off by taking YU classes while you're still in high school.
The YU MTA Sheer Partnership is a truly unique program.
Each year was just assigned a Rebbe from YU, who they get to have as their YU Sheer Rebbe. They have the YU Honors Program, where students who come and maintain a certain average and SAT score get automatic YU Honors.
In the Yeshiva University High School Leadership Track, Talmidim have the opportunity to spend time as part of a cohort focused on leadership skills, to develop their own potential to become the next leaders of Klal Yisrael.
The goal is, after your 4 years at MTA, to have a knowledge of what you're good at and what you can do, and to be pushed to be the best version of yourself.
A successful MTA Talmud is one who is as comfortable in the Beis Medrash as he is in the boardroom or in the courtroom or in the hospital. He's somebody who is confident that he could contribute to the world in a meaningful way and understands that there's a bigger role to play than just for his own particular growth.
We graduate leaders. We graduate strong, confident young men who are ready to go out into the world and become the future leaders of the Jewish people.
I feel like MTA is its own community in a way. Everybody comes from different places, but once you're in MTA, it's all part of the MTA family.
I think the message about MTA is caring about each and every individual, always looking to help each other out, help Klal Yisrael out.
No matter if you're a senior sitting next to a freshman, there's always someone with like arm in arm singing with you.
There's a sense of like oneness, there's a sense of achdus, and like with everyone together.
It's like a family, it's like a one big family.
Every day that I'm here, I know that I'm going to have an awesome experience with my classes, an awesome experience with my friends. I look forward to coming every single day.
That's why we have been for nearly 100 years and will continue to be into the next century a household name in modern Orthodox yeshiva high school education.